minutes of very loud noise. So I noticed you guys have cameras set up and whatnot. I guess just out of curiosity, what's your interest in the warning siren?
I don't know. I couldn't tell you.
Yeah?
Yeah. We record the sirens and upload them to YouTube.
Okay. All right. So it's something you guys have done in other locations other than just North Hudson?
Yep.
All right.
I've gone all around.
We've gone all over the county.
Really? Okay.
Yep.
Cool. So this just happens to be the one for today. I just have I come out here every month, and I've never seen you guys before, so I just thought it was kind of curious as to your interest in the warning siren.
Oh, we understand.
Sure.
Yeah.
But I see is that some sort of mechanism that kind of catches the tone that sets it off?
They're radio
and all
activation tones, yes.
Okay.
We go far away from the camera so we don't get it because we don't want to compromise the security of the system.
Sure, that makes sense. All right.